I found this story on the internet and wanted to share it with you guys. Thought you might be interested in it too. A 25-year-old woman went hiking with her boyfriend, and after returning home that night, she began hearing scratching noises in her ear. According to Central European News, she believed that she had been cursed by evil spirits, and she even went to the temple to pray for the spirits to leave her alone. She also took painkillers and anti-inflammatory medication to ease the pain, but none of this was working. About a week after the hike, she went and saw an ear, nose, and throat specialist, and that's where the doctor discovered the spider living inside her ear, and it had even been weaving a web inside the ear cavity. The doctor said removing the spider was difficult and painful ordeal. Their attempts caused it to react violently. The doctor was only able to complete the task after subduing the spider with some anesthesia. Apparently, this is not an uncommon occurrence, because in 2014, writer Annie Stolte wrote in excruciating detail about the time a beetle got stuck in her ear while she was camping. She goes on to say, "I've given birth twice, snapped her ankle in half, and had an ice skate blade slice her chin open. Things that hurt a lot," she says, "but this pain was a full body shock from my toes to my temples." After Stolte's doctor finally got the beetle out, she received advice from him. He said that if this were to happen again, what are the chances? He said use water or 50-50 mixture of water and alcohol, or water and peroxide would work. Personally, I would just run to the doctor. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.